Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF file without Acrobat. So we all know that it's really irritating that you need to install all of those things in order to create or edit a PDF. Well, here's how you can do it simply online, completely for free. All we're going to do is going to type in PDF escape, just like this. Type it in and go to the first website right here. Then you want to go into the online version because we don't want to download anything. We're going to simply click on free online. Now what we're going to do is you can either create a new PDF document. We can upload a PDF to PDF escape and load a PDF from the internet or load your PDF previously. We're just going to click on create new one, or if you already have one you can just upload one. Create new one, click on create. And now we can see that here I can just edit and create my PDF. Once I'm done with my PDF, all I do is click on download right here and my PDF will be downloaded like you guys can see right here. So yeah, that's how you can create a PDF without Acrobat completely for free online. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.